Experiencing microphone issues on your Samsung Galaxy Watch? You're not alone. Many users, including those with the latest Galaxy Watch 7 and older models like the Watch 6 and Active series, have reported problems with the microphone failing to pick up sound during calls, voice commands, or recordings. This often manifests as muffled audio or complete silence. Let's dive into the common causes. Several factors can cause your Galaxy Watch microphone to malfunction. The first is physical blockage, where dirt, sweat, or debris accumulates in the mic grill, preventing sound waves from reaching the microphone. The second common cause is software glitches, including outdated firmware, app bugs, or incorrect settings that interfere with microphone function. Third, hardware failures can occur due to damage from drops, water exposure despite IP68 ratings, or manufacturing defects that degrade the microphone sensor. Finally, environmental factors like high humidity or extreme temperatures can affect the microphone's piezoelectric components, leading to performance issues. Understanding the cause is crucial for finding the right solution. Let's start with software fixes for your Galaxy Watch microphone. These solutions address the most common causes and can resolve issues without hardware intervention. First, ensure your watch's software is up to date via the Galaxy Wearable app. Open the app on your phone, check for updates, and install any available firmware updates for your watch. Next, restart your Galaxy Watch. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the system. Hold the power button until the menu appears, then select the Restart option. Check app permissions to ensure microphone access is enabled. Navigate to Settings on your watch, then Apps, and verify that microphone permissions are granted for apps like phone and voice assistants. A factory reset can resolve persistent software conflicts, but remember to back up your data first. Go to Settings, General, Reset, and follow the prompts to erase all data and restore factory settings. Software updates have resolved about 70% of microphone failures. These steps should address most software-related issues with your Galaxy Watch microphone. If software solutions don't resolve the microphone issue, it's time to inspect the hardware. Start by examining the microphone grill, which is typically located on the side of the watch. Look for physical blockages like dirt, sweat, or debris that could be obstructing sound waves. These simple obstructions are a common cause of microphone problems. To clean, use a soft brush to gently remove any visible debris from around the grill. Be very gentle to avoid pushing dirt further inside. For deeper cleaning, use a can of compressed air held upright. Blow short bursts from several inches away to dislodge particles without forcing them deeper into the microphone. Never use sharp objects like pins or needles, as they can permanently damage the delicate microphone membrane. Stick to gentle cleaning methods only. Proper hardware cleaning can resolve many microphone issues caused by simple obstructions, restoring clear audio for calls and voice commands. Incorrect Bluetooth settings can sometimes mute the microphone. Check your paired devices and ensure the watch's microphone is selected as the input device. Also, review the watch's sound settings to ensure the microphone isn't accidentally muted or set to a low volume. Sometimes, simply toggling Bluetooth off and on can resolve connection-related microphone glitches. If cleaning and software troubleshooting fail, the microphone may have a hardware issue. In this case, contact Samsung support or visit an authorized service center. The microphone is soldered and not user-replaceable. Attempting to repair it yourself could void your warranty and cause further damage. Remember, Samsung issued a recall for Watch 6 models in Q4 2025 due to faulty microphones, so your device might be eligible for free repair or replacement. Looking ahead, Samsung is investing in more durable, waterproof microphone designs using graphene-based sensors. These are expected to significantly reduce failures in future models. Additionally, AI-driven diagnostics in the Galaxy Wearable app may proactively identify and fix microphone issues. This will allow proactive fixes via machine learning in future generations. Preventative measures are essential to avoid microphone issues with your Samsung Galaxy Watch. First, regularly clean the mic grill using a soft brush to remove any dirt, sweat, or debris that could block sound waves. Second, avoid exposing your watch to extreme conditions like high heat, cold temperatures, or excessive humidity, which can damage the microphone components. Third, keep your software up to date by checking for updates in the Galaxy Wearable app, as these often include fixes for microphone bugs. Fourth, exercise caution when using your watch in water, even though it has an IP68 rating. Avoid prolonged submersion to prevent moisture damage to the microphone. User maintenance is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your Galaxy Watch microphone. By understanding the common causes and following these preventative measures, you'll have a much better experience with your Samsung Galaxy Watch.